Hello everyone, welcome to Skilsa and I'm your mentor Pritha. So today we are going to learn a new folk dance form which is Rajasthani folk dance. So are you all guys excited? So let's watch the main choreography first, then we will do the tutorial. Alright? Let's come with me. Okay, so that's the choreography. So have you guys enjoyed? Now, do you want to do the tutorial? Alright, so let's start with the first step. So first, take your left leg a bit forward and right leg a bit backward. Now, dipping step 5, 6. Alright. Next, hold your skirt or dress and move it like this. This is for all the girls. Move your skirt like this with the dipping step 6, 7, 8. Alright, all the girls. So now it's time for boys. Okay, so boys, you can do the steps like this. Take your hand and take it back and the dipping step 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is for the boys. Alright. Now next, both boys and girls together, you have to move to your left by doing the dipping step. Now the hands. Okay, keep your hands open and move your wrists and fingers like this. Follow me everyone. Yes, very good. Now take your hands down there and take it up like this. And with the dipping step, you have to move to your left. Alright? Now, hands and legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to bend everyone. Now, next, put your right leg front and back and hands will be up, cross, down. Okay. Next, opposite, move to your right and the same hands in the opposite way. 6, 7, 8. And again, left leg front, back, hands cross up, cross, down. Okay? Next, put your hands the front way and you have to move forward and bend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again with the dipping step. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now you have to move back by doing dipping and hands open. Now you have to turn from your left. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Next, put your legs together and you have to jump and sit. Sit on your knees like this. Okay? Open legs. Now with the hands. Round and jump and sit with your hands open. Alright? Next, put your hands open and make fist. Now move your shoulders and move your upper body like this. Make circles, big circles. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Next, the same hands and bend, bend, bend. And again from down to up to down like this. Okay, now move up and hold your skirt again, girls. Dipping 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for boys, hands on your back. Dipping 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now move on to the next step. First, keep you one hand on your ear and one hand down to up, open. Now you have to move and do the dipping as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move to your right. And now turn from your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn on speed. Then again from down to up and turn. Turn from your left. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, put your hand again up and down, cross up, cross down. The same step, up and down, up and down. Okay? Next, put your legs open and take your hands and put it to your shoulders like a thumbs up. Take it and put it on your shoulder. Again, take it and put it on your shoulder. Take, put on your shoulder. Now legs, bend and up, bend and up, bend, up, bend, up. Jump as well. Now with the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now do these hands like this and 5, 6, 7, 8 on your face. Again the dipping step. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Next, put your hands back and hold your hands like this. Now bend and move your shoulders like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and slowly move up. Now you have to move forward with the dipping step. Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly move up. 7, 8. Okay. Next, your hands like this. Yes. Now swing, 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 swing. Now you have to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4 and go back. Next, do your hands like you are playing a doll. And your legs should be like this, together and open. You have to jump and put your legs like this. Again, jump, together and open. Together, open. 1, 2. Okay, now play the dhol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again, the first step will repeat like before and turn. So, all the steps are done. So, now practice everyone and see you in the next video. Bye bye.